The 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, automatic stability control, climate control, fog lamps, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, memorized settings for 2 drivers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.